A new Facebook expression? We don't care how, but we want it now. I'm Bridget Carey, and this is your CNET Update. The future PlayStation experience could involve streaming your video games. Sony bought the cloud-based game provider Gaikai for $380 million in shares. Gaikai lets you stream graphics-heavy games with just an internet connection. No downloading, no discs. It's already been working with Samsung and LG to bring games like Mass Effect 3 on a smart TV. So not only could PlayStation add a way for you to stream games to a future PS4 or Vita, but maybe this could expand the PlayStation footprint outside of the traditional console. Any internet-connected device, like a smartphone or tablet, could be a way to play these games. Facebook may add a new way to express your opinion on a post. We already have the like button, but a want button is in the works. A developer found code for a want button in Facebook's software development kit. It doesn't work yet, but if activated, it would put more of a purchasing spin on Facebook, most likely as a way for Facebook to make more money with advertisers, and we'll all start sounding a little more like Veruca Salt. In other developing news, we have our eyes on Twitter, which just cut off LinkedIn. You can no longer have tweets automatically post on a LinkedIn profile. And Twitter may start cutting off other sites too. It has stricter rules now for how developers can incorporate tweets into services. Analysts are seeing this as Twitter trying to gain more control so it can better monetize tweets. Firefox is coming out with its own smartphone operating system. It's called simply Firefox OS. But these phones will target the lower cost segment of the smartphone market. The first phones with Firefox will hit Brazil next year. The headphone maker Beats Electronics has acquired the music streaming service Mog. This means the 15 million songs that Mog owns for streaming could be integrated into Beats products. Apple's old paid sync and storage service called MobileMe has closed, and Apple warned everyone that this day was coming. But if you use the service, you still have a limited time to get back your data and move it over to Apple's iCloud service. A new social media site for news called Waywire is focusing on getting millennials involved in public affairs. It's sort of like a mashup between Twitter and YouTube. The site will have users post video responses to news stories, and it uses a badge and reward system to let you become part of the group that decides what gets highlighted on the site. It also will produce 3 short newscasts a day. Waywire was co-founded by Newark, New Jersey Mayor Cory Booker and received funding from big names in tech like Google's Eric Schmidt, LinkedIn's CEO Jeff Weiner, and even Oprah. That's your tech news update for today. For more on the stories in today's show, visit cnet.com/update. From our studios in New York, I'm Bridget Carey.